Exercise 2. Hi, Joe Cerrone, CAD 230, Introduction to Solidworks. Bonus exercise number 2. We're going to draw this part here. It's in millimeters, and I think we can beat this time of 30 minutes, no problem. Here's what the completed part looks like. I'm going to start a new part by clicking on the new part. OK. I'm going to set the measurement units to millimeters. I'm going to remove the swatch. I'm going to start a sketch on the front plane. And I'm going to start with the circular geometry right at the center of the origin. So that 20-inch diameter circle and that 20-inch radius. I'm going to drive a center line. I'm going to wake this up, drive it up, and then I'm just going to drive it through the part. Hit escape. Line. Wake up this quadrant, and you can wake it up by just hovering over it until it turns orange. Solidworks likes to work with symmetrical parts, and so one of the techniques that I encourage is to draw half of the part and mirror it before you start putting the dimensions on, because that way when you dimension it, it will have symmetric relations. So we're going to do that. We're going to say mirror, and then we're going to select those entities. We're going to mirror it about the center line. And then we're going to trim. We're going to add our dimensions. And you'll notice that they update on both sides of the part, and that's because we mirrored it. So we have our part sketch created, and we can see that it's fully defined, meaning all the geometry is black, which means that the computer knows where all those entities are in relation to the origin. We're going to click on Features, Extrude Boss Base, and I'm going to extrude this mid-plane. And again, they didn't give us any dimensions, so we can just kind of make it look 50 millimeters looks about right. Let's add some color to it. Save it. Use your initials. Since I've done this once, we'll have to add and that completes exercise 2 bonus.